Former Kaduna State Governor El-Rufai has criticized former presidential aide Reno Omokri, accusing him of lacking any sense of shame in response to allegations made against him. According to reports, Omokri had alleged that El-Rufai played a significant role in the genocide of southern Kaduna Christians. However, the former governor reacted to a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, by Imran U. Wakili, who shared a photo of El-Rufai and Omokri, accompanied by a message highlighting the importance of mentorship and opportunities. Wakili wrote, "The greatest thing a mentor can offer is freedom, recognition, and opportunities you need to succeed in life, far more valuable than money. The former minister who noticed you when you were unknown and helped you build a reputation has given you everything. Unfortunately, wisdom has nothing to do with age." El-Rufai, through his verified handle at El-Rufai, responded by saying, "Please, Imran, let them be. They are PR consultants and online influencers. It's a new profession thriving in the renewed hope era because propaganda can build infrastructure, eliminate insecurity, and address our economic challenges." Omokri further alleged that El-Rufai had admitted on multiple occasions to making payments to killer herdsmen during his tenure as governor. He also stated that Nasser El-Rufai's government was indicted in the Zaria Shittite massacre on Saturday, December 12, 2015, where 438 Shiite men, women, children, and infants were slaughtered in one of Africa's worst human rights violations. Additionally, Mr. El-Rufai was specifically cited for demolishing the homes of his political opponents in Kaduna State. While this comment has generated mixed reactions online, we will continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.